This why I didn't like though, and this probably we can say.
I just wish they stopped stumping them.
This probably we can say for me to notice this shit though.
You know,
but in the
unresponsive dog, leave it alone.
Leave it alone. Yeah. But in the video, right? They say dog in the red gets slapped, right? So if dog, got slapped. Now dog in the red gets slapped. The nigga in the white behind dog, like basically snuck him and shit. So look, dog.